Hello guys. Nalagma ni Kaon guys oh. Oh, iyang sudan kay nun. Apil lang inday no ikaon. What's happened dot? Don't eat dino. What the name of your ulam?
Sabaw.
Sabaw of
Rice.
rice and fish?
No, dino.
Dangat. Sabaw ko na sa dino guys. Oh, talagman na guys. Wari ka og kanon ba? If you eat rice, you will be big mandot. You big man.
Yeah, I exercise.
You exercise?
Yeah, tinataas.
Netaas? Wow.
Up.
If you go to school, you spank your classmate?
Oh,
No spank because spank is bad.
I'm strong.
Ah. Oh, yaman naman ang ano. Wow, dagan ganyan na guys.
I fight.
What?
I fight other people.
You fight other people?
Yeah.
Why you fight? Oh.
Like Bruce Lee?
Umar sa gwalo no.
Bruce Lee?
Kaon wala. You know Bruce Lee dot?
Yeah.
What Bruce Lee?
No.
Oh, dagan-dagan na yan kaon tanan. Nami. Oh, ito oh.
Milagro ni Kaon.
It's a miracle, Dot. It's a miracle.
Yeah.
You're amazing.
Yeah.
Inunon po isa na, inunon. Ang pagkaniyo ko, ha?
I suck on my head.
Oh, saka your head.
Yeah. And eat.
What do you feel if saka head? You like
Kani.
Dino?
Huh?
Kaon siya.
Bad mo tayo.
Oh, dugang siya oh.
Rodan.
Dugang ganon. Oh.
Kani.
Nagani ako.
Oh, you eat rice, ha? Lami na kung pag-auno pa na tagapan.
Rami. Oh. Oy, cool. Don't play pork. Oh, pork. Oh, ginawa. Bye guys. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Ano ako mo to?
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye guys. Shout out.
Shut up.
Shout out to my friends.
Shut up to my friends.
What's your friend?
Up.
Oh, what's your friend? You shout out. What? What's your friend?
He's here and sitting down and eats less and juice. Where's him? Where's he?
Where's she? I don't know.
What?
Bye.
Where's Auntie?
Bye na guys. Bye.
He's going home.
Oh, bye na. Bye.
Bye-bye.